हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ लाइफ विद स्मार्टीज। आज की वीडियो में आपको दे रहा हूँ अपनी होटल का टूर। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। During my visit to Murray, I spent many nights in different hotels, but the Vibe by Ambiance was one of my favorites. So here it is, the Vibe by Ambience, which provides accommodations in Murray. Featuring a restaurant, this 4-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. Free private parking is available, and the hotel also has car rental for guests who want to explore the surrounding areas. Let's start with the lobby.
There are many floors in this hotel, so we use the elevator to go up. As you can see, Afnan is going up using the elevator. So finally, we are on the top floor. Along with the elevator, we also have stairs in this hotel. Now let's move towards the rooms. Entering the room, on the left we have the wardrobe, a mini bar, and the tea area. We are also provided with some junk to munch. On my right, we have a luxury toilet and bathroom boasts high-end features and executive finishes. The bathroom itself is endowed with premium materials like marble designer fixtures and custom cabinetry. Ambient lighting, plush towels, and designer toiletries enhance the sense of indulgence. Moving on, this beautiful room is thoughtfully designed with a harmonious blend of colors, textures, and furnishings. The furniture is both stylish and comfortable, arranged to create a welcoming and functional space. So, this is our parents' room. Also, it features ample natural light enhanced by the large window. Last but not the least, on your special request, let's enter Afnan's interconnected room. Now let's move towards the most beautiful area, the open air terrace, and the most beautiful view from the balcony. Lastly, one of the best features of this hotel is its top floor retro restaurant that offers a welcoming atmosphere with a well-designed interior that balances comfort and style. Its menu features a diverse selection of dishes made from fresh, high-quality ingredients, showcasing both creativity and culinary expertise. Staff is so attentive and knowledgeable, providing excellent services and making dinners feel valued. Cleanliness is a paramount with a well-maintained dining area. Additionally, the restaurant has a pleasant ambience with appropriate lighting, background music, and a layout that ensures a comfortable dining experience. Wow, isn't this all amazing? I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.